First things first, I got some serious stuff that I'm going to get off my chest. Some of y'all won't like it. It's not going to be something that you want to hear, but it's going to be something that you want to hear. So make sure you hit that like button so it pushes out on the algorithm for YouTube. Drop a comment if you find this valuable, and make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you can join the Bell Club and get notified anytime I drop a new video. This video is going to be based around online business and what it really takes. And I'm here to tell you that it's not going to be easy. If you can't sit through this whole video, which I'm going to make pretty sweet and short, then you're not going to make it online. I've seen a surplus of people coming into this space expecting massive profits right out of the gate, and it does not work like that. If you're a person that is weak-minded and you can't focus for more than, a couple weeks on anything, then this is not for you, and you're not going to win. You're going to fail. Now, if you're already triggered, fine. If not, continue to listen. Go back and watch my very first YouTube video about my vision that I had the end of 2019. We're halfway through 2021. So I want you to go back and watch that first video to show you how long I've actually been at this and actually trying. All right? Life is not easy. Business is not easy. Nothing in this world worth having is easy by any means. You are going to be challenged. It is going to be hard. You're going to get frustrated and pissed off, and you're going to want to quit. But that's what separates the people that get consistent results, and it separates the people that actually win online and actually hit the goals that they set for themselves. Back in 2019, I had a vision of making, big money online. I knew it was going to be hard. I knew I was going to have to buckle up because I was going to fail. And I was going to fail over and over again. I can't tell you how many countless business models that I have tried when it comes to online business that I fucking failed at. I failed miserably over and over. But here's the difference between me, many other people that are seeing success, is that we did not quit. We saw the value in the process of keep trying. Do not quit. I've invested in myself multiple times with multiple different programs. I bet you I've probably been through more programs and courses than your average person. That's how bad I've wanted it. Every time I look at my kids, I look at my wife, how much I used to work and kill myself for a job that let me go so quick after putting in multiple years. Now, I'm not here to blame that company. COVID fucked a lot of stuff up, but I still had that drive and determination to go all in on myself, put the work in, do work even though I wasn't seeing monetary results, building the foundations, and actually listening to people and surrounding myself with people that were where I wanted to be a lot further. I was willing to pay those people to teach me how to do it, to learn high income skills, how to market, how to sell, how to not be salesy, and basically work on my mindset. You can't think like an employee coming into this online space. I don't care if you're a coach, a consultant, or an affiliate marketer. All right? I knew when I came into the last program last August that it was, again, going to be hard and not easy. I was going to have to show up consistently. And I've wanted to quit multiple times. And each time I level up, just like everyone else, it gets harder. But I embraced that shit. Like, I'm not the same person that I was, a short time ago. I view everything different. Everything is still going to be harder as I keep going. So make sure you go back and watch my very first video to see what I was talking, how I was speaking. It was actually my first time coming on video and recording a video like this, all right? I was a complete greenhorn. I didn't know shit. I was just getting into it. So my main message here is is if you're weak-minded and you give up easy and you're looking for push button make money shit, then the online space is not for you. I have nothing against people that work a 9-to-5 or anyone that goes to college. I actually respect those people because I've been on both sides. But if you're a person that wants to generally help yourself so you can help other people and build something that's going to benefit you long term, and you're willing to put the work in, then you're the person that I want to work with. Even if you love your 9-to-5 and you enjoy what you do, that is fucking great. Like, kudos to you. My hat is off, all right? But there's a lot of people that really want to make a difference and make extra money. And online is definitely the way to go. But you have to put the work in. You're going to have to invest money. You're going to have to invest time. You're going to have to sacrifice things. But it comes down to your why. Your why has to be stronger than the what and the how. Your why is what is going to drive you to keep going so that you can accomplish the goals that you set for yourself. You want to do big shit? You're going to have to sacrifice big shit. All right? Nothing comes easy. My whole life's been hard. Ain't nothing about my life been easy. But I don't let my past dictate my future. I've been to jail multiple times. I've whipped people's ass. I've sold drugs. I've been kicked out of college. I had an alcoholic mom. But I use my story to keep going, to help me stay driven and focused. Some days are good, some days are bad. That's life. But here's my end message. If you've made it through this, 7 to 8 minute video, then that shows me that you actually want to win online and you actually care about your future and you want to build something that's real. You want to make extra money. I had no idea how far I would be willing to take this, but I can tell you I'm just getting started. I can promise you that, no matter how hard it gets. But if you want something that is tried and true and proven to get results over and over, not just for me, but hundreds of other people, I had to go through dozens of programs and courses until I found the one that done it. So now you have the ability to skip the bullshit. Now, it's still going to be hard work. Let me make that clear. It is still an investment in yourself. Let me make that clear. You will not make money overnight. Let me make that clear. But what you will do is learn high income skills on how to build a personal brand around you and your beliefs and build your life around your business. Part-time, go full-time. Whatever you want to do. You want to make an extra $1,000 a month? Or you want to get to $20,000 a month like I have. Yeah, I've done that last month. This month has only been like $6,000. I had COVID for 2 weeks. That's the power of how I learned and who I learned from and the people that I continue to pay money to level up. So if you made it through this video and you're that person that I've been talking about with that drive, determination, and motivation, then I'll work with you. I'm going to put some stuff in the description of this video. Action takers only. Investment is required. But I will work with you one-on-one. I can't help you if you don't ask for it. So that sounds like you. Check out the links in the description and reach out. I'll work with you. Now, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you found this valuable, drop that in the comments so that people can see this. I want as many people as possible to see this because this is a strong message that I have to share. This shit's not easy, but it's worth it. So let's go. Catch y'all on the flip side.